Let's set the alarm functions. In this case, I'm going to show you how to set alarm 1. Press and hold the P button for 3 seconds. Keep pressing the P button until you get to alarm 1. Press P once more, and if you want the display to flash at a certain value, you can adjust it to the value that you want it to flash at. In this case, I will change it to 20 tons. To store the value, press the red arrow button. Alarm 2 will come up. But now we need to exit by pressing the silver button at the side. And this gauge will flash when we get to 20 tons. Now let's set alarm 2 mode. This is used for external lights or buzzers. To get into the program mode, press the P button for 3 seconds. Keep pressing the P button until you get to AL2. Press the P button once more and adjust the value to whatever you want the gauge to switch to your light or relay. In this case, it's in 0, and that is turned off. Setting display auto off timer. Let's get into the gauge settings for the display to turn off. To do this, we need to press the P button for 3 seconds to enter the program mode and keep pressing the P button until we get display. Press P again, and if it is set to 0, it will stay on all the time. Factory settings are set to 5 minutes, so after 5 minutes, the gauge will turn off. So press the red arrow button to store it, and the display will turn off after 5 minutes. Mode settings. Let's put the gauge into decimal point mode. Press and hold the P button for 3 seconds. DECPT will display. Press P once more to show the value. Use the negative button to bring that decimal point across. In this case, you would read it 5.93 ton. Once the decimal point is reading to 3 decimal places, store that by pressing the red Enter button. Then press the silver button at the side to exit program mode, and your gauge will be displaying the value with 3 decimal points.